In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the blower motor on this Nissan Altima. It's located underneath the glove box, so if you need this or any other part for your car, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. On the side of the glove box, there's a plastic panel that we have to remove. Pry it away. Next, open up the glove box and remove anything that's inside. Inside the glove box, there are 3 Phillips head screws. Let's remove those. Now, inside the glove box, you'll see 2 more Phillips head screws. Remove those as well. Below the glove box, there are 3 more Phillips head screws. Let's remove those as well. With all of those removed, close the glove box and pull it away. There are clips that clip it in on each side, so pull it firmly and it should pop out. There we go. You can just let this hang on the ground, and now we can work on the blower motor right up in here. Let's unplug the electrical connector, located right at the front here. Press on the tab, wiggle it, and pull it straight out. Set it aside, and now we'll have 3 Phillips head screws that hold the blower motor assembly. Hold on to it when you unscrew the last one so it doesn't fall off. There it is. Oh, looks like we have some debris in here. That happens, so of course it's also necessary to check the cabin air filter. That is most likely clogged. If you have debris like this, make sure you check the surroundings in here and use a vacuum cleaner to clean it all out. Take the new blower motor, put it up in position, and make sure it's facing the right way. Just like that. And there we go. Hold it in place and start in at least one of the mounting screws so you can let go. This should hold it up here for you. Start in the other ones. Keep in mind you are threading into plastic, so when you tighten these up, just get them snug and then at most an 1/8 of a turn, if even that, after they bottom out, because you will strip out the plastic housing and it's going to be very difficult to get that repaired. You could install a bigger screw, but ideally just avoid stripping it out altogether. Make sure this doesn't move around and it is fully seated, which is the case for me. So I'm going to take the connector, plug it in. All right, make sure that clicks. At this point, you could test it out if you wanted to. Take the glove box and slide it back in place. Take the bottom screws and thread them in. Snug them up. Not too much though, they are screwing into plastic. Now thread in the ones inside the glove box. All of the screws are the same, so no need to keep them separate. And put in the screws at the top as well. Just a quick tip, if you accidentally bumped this button here and it's now set to off, this disables your trunk button on the driver's side, so make sure that stays on. Reinstall all of your belongings, close the glove box. And lastly, put this cover back on the side, line up the tabs, and press it on. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you have anything to add, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to check us out at 1A Auto for any car parts that you might need. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.